Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to demonstrate whether the Xiaomi Pad 5 actually supports WhatsApp installation or not. Yes friends, this is the Xiaomi Pad 5 which I'm trying to use exactly in this video, and this is a question which few of the users they do have in their minds, that whether this tablet actually supports WhatsApp or not. Let me show you the couple of comments which I got right now, as you can see friends. So can I use the WhatsApp app in this tab or not? So that's what I'm going to demonstrate exactly in this video. The main reason is because this tablet didn't come any kind of LTE variant, only the Wi-Fi variant is there. Let's go to the Play Store and let's see. So yes, right now you can actually install the WhatsApp Messenger as well, and I'll try to sign in with my phone number, and definitely the OTP will be coming to the other phone as well because there is no SIM card obviously. And let me quickly start the WhatsApp and I'll try to show you. Right now, as you can see friends, I did enter my phone number and I'm waiting for the 6 digit code from other smartphone. As you can see friends, once after I entered this code and everything, so finally the WhatsApp has been successfully installed in this Xiaomi Pad 5 tablet. So yes, so finally as you can see friends, I'm trying to enter into the WhatsApp, and finally it's kind of installing exactly right now. As you can see, yes, finally the Xiaomi Pad 5 actually supports the WhatsApp without any kind of problem, and finally installation has been done successfully in my tablet right now. That's it friends, thank you for watching us. Straight up more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, and yes, you can actually use the WhatsApp in this tablet without any kind of issues. Until then, signing off and bye.